Hello everyone, welcome to WenTech. We are at ISE Barcelona 2026. We are the manufacturer and solution provider, mainly produce the touch panels and solutions for educational and conference markets. We have two product lines. One is touch panel series and one is the recording system. So I would like to introduce you one of our very hot model is the AI recording system. So as you can see here, this is the AI recording system. This is the host built with the recording mainboard inside. So the recording mainboard, camera, it's all in one in this small box. Okay, so this is the UI interface of that hosting of the recording. And here you can see this is keep counting of the camera. Like right now inside the camera is 26 person. So means that we can generate the attendance after the whole meeting of the class. Then you can have the whole attendance reports. Okay, let's see. There are four major functions here. One is recording a live virtual calls and interactive file manager. So let's see the cap virtual. And so this one is like you see the camera. So this is dual camera. One is the big one checking, another is the full picture. And you can see in this side there are 6 pictures here. That means that you can actually integrate it with 2 more cameras, or you can integrate it with your computer screen like the PDF here. And we can have the director here, we can start record, or we can have the live streaming. So the live streaming is that when you scan the QR code, it can directly to live streaming to YouTube, Facebook, or your own cloud server and your own website of the company or your own website of the school. Okay, so this is can have live streaming. As you can see, the camera is kept checking. That means it's a checking function and very smoothly. Okay, so let's go back like this one. I will introduce is the interactive. So mainly when we are doing the interactive, it's either to have interactive with the students or to interactive with another people in another city. You can join this room. We can create the room, and then you can join the room for the interactive teaching or the interactive meeting. And you can create a room as a host, or you can join a room and enter the room number. Okay, and at the same time, you also live streaming. If you want people only to watch, then you can live streaming by this QR code in a different website of this one. Okay, and if we create a folder of every of the recording, that every of the folders being recorded is in here. Okay, and there's a very key point of this product is that we have the AI. We just mentioned about we have the AI function. So let me show you after the class what we can do in the AI functions. Okay, so one of the key point of the AI analysis system for the recording system, what is the AI? Let me explain you. Actually, we have an R&D team to develop the whole AI in the platform. So we can help to build up your own server. That means the server is in your own country, your own company, or your own school. Then you don't need to worry about the security issue. So when you log in the platform, then you can see all the class being recorded here. You can have the analyzation by the AI. Like from here, you can see this is a key point summarized and mind map. Like the mind map is automatically generated by the AI. Like what is the key point being discussed, the teacher being teaching in the class. And you can download the mind map from here. And when you click each point, actually, it can show up with each of the details in the mind map. And also, we can generate an AI analysis report from here. Just one click, then you can have in here, for example, the AI means that in here, the teacher, this is the heat map of the teacher. So that means the teacher is only staying in the corner of the classroom but not going to anywhere. That means he is a lecture teacher. So this gives you a time what kind of teacher it is and helps the principals to analyze the type of the teacher's teaching. And there are some others like the total response and the questions of this one. And also we have something in here, like for example, this is about the teacher, the type, the student's interaction, and also we have the analysis of the student. So the expression of the student, is it negative, calm, happy or not happy, or how many students being raising hand during the class or standing up. So in the back platform, we can help to generate this AI behaviors analysis to the schools. And also some speech analysis is that I can have some speech to text. Okay. So, and I can also have in here, generate a report, a single report in here, and one click, then you can have the whole analysis report of the teacher, how this class is being acting, like the classroom overview, the teaching type, and the issue, like not the issue, it's like understanding of the classroom and how the teacher is being teaching in the classroom, and now those are the questions being listed in the classroom. Okay, so those are all based on our platform. Okay, so this is the solution for the AI recording system. If you would like to know more about our company, you are most welcome to visit our website at www.wentech.cn. Thank you.